Are you dreaming of moving to Italy, but not sure how to start to make that dream a reality? I'm Kathy McCabe, and I'm here to help. You may know me as the host of the award-winning PBS series Dream of Italy. I'm also the founder of the magazine and membership website Dream of Italy, where I've been helping people like you make their Italian dreams come true for more than 20 years. I'm inviting you to join Dream of Italy as a member, starting at just $87, to attend our live How to Move to Italy virtual workshop this July. Don't be confused by all of the conflicting information on the internet. Get step-by-step advice from trusted experts.
What if I told you that I found a place?
I'll be your host for 3 live sessions. First with attorney Nick Mehta, who will go over the changes in citizenship laws, visas to make the move, and tax considerations. Next, real estate agent Sean Carlos will walk us through the buying and renting process and why now is the time to invest in Italy. Then I'm thrilled to be joined by my friends Ed and Francis Mays from Under the Tuscan Sun fame. I took you inside their Tuscan villa in Cortona in my Tuscan Sun special. They will be joined by other expats to talk about the ins and outs of daily life in Italy. Don't let your Italian dream stay just a dream. Join Dream of Italy today and secure your spot for the How to Move to Italy workshop. Your dream life in Italy is waiting. Let's make it real together.